Hey, this is Jane from Mighty, and if you're watching this,
I wanted to show you how I am doing a little reading challenge in this community and how I'm going to use tags, automations, and a promotional banner to get people to take it. And I wanted to share this because often we talk about challenges in terms of like a course when you're using the course modules and you're dripping out an action every day. This is a different way to do a challenge. It's almost like a different take on a monthly theme. So it's a little more lightweight. And I know if you're on our community plan, you might not have courses. So I wanted to show you can still do a challenge. So this is a reading community. This is our challenge. Read a book this month that's at least 100 years old. And I'm asking people to post in the comments what book they're going to read. So Jess is going to read Charles Dickens. Jessica Gottstein's going to read Anne of Green Gables. And I just posted this last night. I got a couple people, but definitely not all of my members are chiming in yet. So I want to promote this challenge to people. I have already added it to my featured section. So you can see here it is featured, but I want to promote it with a promotional banner. So the first thing I did is I went to members and I made a tag. So you can see my tag here, January challenge. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it to some members. I'm going to add it to Jess Shambora and Jessica Gottstein because they both already commented. And now I'm going to make an automation. So I'm going to do an automation and it's going to be tagged for commenting on January challenge post. And the trigger is going to be commented on post, a specific post. I only have one space where people can post, so that makes it easy for me. And this post. And I don't need any filters for this. It's just a straightforward, when they comment on the post, that's going to kick off the automation. And the action is I'm going to add a tag. Okay, so now every time anybody comments on the post, I'm going to tag them as being a part of the January challenge. So I can follow up with people if I want to who are doing the challenge. I'm going to create that. Now, what I want to do is get more people in the challenge. So let's go to audiences. I'm going to create not in January challenge yet. So these are people who haven't commented, are not yet in the January challenge. And I'm going to include my entire network, but I'm going to exclude people who are already tagged with January challenge. I'm going to create the audience. Great. And now let's make our banner. Create my banner. I'll call it January challenge push. And the headline, read something old. Join our January challenge by reading a book this month that's at least 100 years old. And it's going to be the details. And I'm going to send them to, let me just grab the link in another tab. I'm going to send them directly to that post so that they can just read it. And then the audience is not in January challenge. I'm going to start it today and I'm going to end it. I can read a long, they're short 100-year-old books. I'll give them 4 days. And then if you really don't want to join the challenge, you can dismiss the banner. And so this is what it's going to look like. Create active. And I see this because I do not have the tag yet because I commented before I put the automation in place, and I can go and get the details. So I'm hoping that more people in my little book club will join the challenge. Let me know if you are going to do your own kind of lightweight challenge in this way this month. I think it is a worthy experiment, and now you know exactly how to do it.